Hey everybody, it's Trebenix here, and in this video, it's an unboxing from the Cubicle US. Let's get started. I'm gonna have to make this quick because Draw by Carter wants what's inside here. Well, that's his, so yeah, time to open this. If I can. This is a different packaging because it's just 2 cubes and it's not one of those big things. I gotta open it. They pack these so well. Finally. Let's see what's inside. I got the Qiyi Square-1. Put off the side. I want a business card. Here is the magic snake. That's Draw by Carter's. Oh, and here's mine. I'm gonna give this to him and be back. Okay guys, I gave him the snake and here's my broken Square-1. This is the reason why I got the new Square-1 is because this is broken. Let's continue the unboxing. We have the receipt, which we do not need. We have this. What is it? Oh, it's my Square-1 logo. We have. I don't know if I got a business card. CFOP algorithm sheet. I'm gonna open these. These are really small. I thought they'd be bigger, but yeah, gotta figure out how to open these things. This is. I'm gonna open these. I'll be right back with the opening. They are open. They are so small. They are so tiny. Here's a Cubicle business card. They are literally about the same size as a Cubicle business card. And then here are all the F2L algorithms. The OLL algorithms. And the PLL algorithms. There they are. I may keep that bag that they came in. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope, nothing else in here. No business card or free stand. So, because I probably bought rush processing. Now let's open this. I love this type of packaging. I want Qiyi to keep doing this. It's a Square-1 with nylon ABS nut. I hope it doesn't pop on me. Oh, and there's Brandon Lynn. And there's the Square-1 in all its varieties. I do not want greasiness. Here's the how to solve guide. You should always get Qiyi products whenever you're starting because they come with a how to solve guide. This is just the unboxing. Come on. Open. There we go. I'm sorry if this is a short unboxing. Here it is. It is so smooth. And I don't think this is going to be popping on me. Time to apply the logo I got. Here's the logo. It's right there. It's the Cubicle V2 logo. It says the Cubicle US on it. It is so sandy. I was doing some M slices and they are so hard to slice. It is so sandy. I may have to not change that, but like, because these are so sandy, I'm going to have to do some lubing. And yeah. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.